freedom. Need dependable gear? Meet the revolutionary Citymons Endo-Hitch. We present to you the world's quietest and most user-friendly trailer hitch. Featuring an innovative built-in anti-theft system, our unique rotating handle paired with an integrated torque limiting mechanism ensures effortless installation. Forget about the jarring, rattling ride. Our cutting-edge quiet pin technology eliminates constant adjustments, eliminating wobble, rattle, and bounce. The Endo-Hitch is designed to deliver an easy, stable, and safe towing experience. Installing Citymons trailer hitches is a game changer. Just a simple twist for a seamless setup. Embrace the tranquility and security of a silent trailer journey with our tool-free installation. Attach, lock, and embark on your next adventure with ease. Constructed with durability and safety at the forefront, our trailer hitches are made to endure, ensuring your travels are worry-free. Offering 2-inch drop and 4-inch drop options. Both are capable of handling at least 7,500 pounds gross weight and 750 pounds tongue weight. The Endo-Hitch ball and mounting seat provide unprecedented safety and snug fit. Step into the future of towing with Citymons Endo-Hitch. Embrace the trailer hitch revolution and elevate your towing experience to new heights of convenience and reliability. Join us on Kickstarter today and transform your journey. Citymons, easy bond.